Dre go. Before that nigga got hit with the switch. I'ma eat that nigga dead and that catch it right, bitch. I'm my baby Hoover on the set. Ay, with this chop toe to your door, pop up in my car. I was keep 100 rock, keep a Glock in my waist. If I catch it up, I'ma where that shit from. These my niggas slide through the scab. Bitch, I had the EBK 48 on the set. Right, I ain't soaking niggas on my dick. They ain't never put skit, they ain't never did shit. I'm a bro, like put it with my put it with my dirty ass in the crib. I was keep 100 round, like bitch, when I'm out, bitch. I been working, I been stepping. I'm a baby stepper, handle with the colors. I just worry about the stuff, pull you already know. Try catch it hat, me and my boys right on the same route. And my eyes headshot, get that nigga dressed, try get the boy set. Catch him Murray in the whip, you already know. You already know it. Me and my gang, we gon' slide. We been turned up in the city when they catch us at the fair. They never did shit on my bro. Like I said, you know I been buzzed to the drill. Try to put the perks. Shit got me high as fuck, bitch. I been tripping, I been sipping codeine. Sipping codeine in my yeet, like I been drinking, I been having a party, you already know why these suckin' niggas never did shit. Like I said, bitch, you had no EBK and motherfucking hopping in the beat. 2 to 3, bitch, I try and quit, I try helping feet. Try shoot at niggas at his target. Where that nigga fucks up targets. With that nigga some apartments, white drug the A, bitch. You ain't never did shit. Like I say, ain't gon' say too much. Ain't gon' speak about it, ain't gon' trip about it. You already know. I been speaking all the facts. I been going through the pain on the alcohol, y'all in my dance. If I see Kobe, if I see that suckin' nigga, I'ma get that nigga gone. I'ma cut that nigga drag ups. Bust it out the headshot. Like hold up, out the bar and pass the dog ball. Give a Drake going. Before that nigga got hit with the switch, I'ma eat that nigga dead in that casket white. Bitch, I'm heading to Hoover, baby, and I went to shop to your bro, to your fucking head. Ain't gon' say too much about the song, you already know. I'ma carry all this heat, I hop on feet, hop, scrub, step, cool, wanna hoop. Red bust, dude, with this pistol, she gon' shoot. With the pistol, she gon' bow to your head. Ayy, bitch, I'm out. You already know, you know my nigga for you, EBK, try up the skull.